We have the last of the base multiplication, which is base 2 multiplication or binary system. So otherwise is known as binary. And we have two number symbols to use. And in a way, in a binary system, it's quite easy in many ways, but sometimes it takes longer when you have big numbers. So these are the place values of base 2 system or binary. So this is 1, this is 2's, and this is 4's, and so on. Of course, what's next is 2 raised to the power of 3, which is 8. So let's see, for example, we have 1, 0 times 1, 1. Of course, these are the only two numbers we can use, so in a way it's quite easy. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Yeah, okay, we always add 0 before we go to the next higher place value. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. And we add them together. We have 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then we bring that down. So this is the answer. It's quite straightforward. Okay, let's try a bigger digit. Let's say we have 1, 0, 1 times 1 and 1. Let's try that. So 1 times, these are all in base 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Well, we add another 0 before we go to the next place value. If 1 times 1 is the same, right? It's 1, 0, and 1. Yeah, so 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Well, we'll have, if we add them, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is that. It's not exactly the example I want to have, but let's have another example. Let's say this one, 1 in base 2 times 1 and 1. I think this is, there's something here that doesn't exist in here. So let's try. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add another 0. Yeah, let's go to the second column. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, here it is. So we add them together. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2. Can we write 2? No, we can't. We only allowed 0 and 1. So here we have 2. How do you write 2 in base 2? Well, the question would be, well, how many 2's goes into 2? Your answer is 1, remainder 0. So you're writing 2 as 1, 0 in base 2. So your answer here, instead of writing 2, you have to write 1, 0. Yeah, those are in base 2. So here we have 1 plus 0 is 1. That's straightforward. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Can be written as 1, 0 in base 2. Now we have another one here. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is written as 1, 0 again. Yeah, saying 1, 0. And we bring down the 1 here. So we have there. So your answer is 1001 into, so essentially it's 1/8, 0/4s, 0/2s, and 1/1. Yeah. So the bigger you have number, the more cumbersome it is. But of course, this is just for our understanding. It's easy when it's a computer that does it. So what is this in our base system? Well, you can see it's 1 8. So 1 8 plus 0 here, 0 fours plus 0 twos, and plus 1 ones. Yeah. So essentially, this whole thing, 1001 in base 2, is just 9 in our counting system. It's just 9. Well, I hope that was clear. Let's give you a few homework. What is 1001 times 1 1? And what is 1 1 1 0 1 times 1 1 0? It will be interesting. Let me know your answers in the comment section below. And in our next episode, we'll go through dividing numbers in different base systems.